The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird, diving at over 200 miles per hour during its hunting stoop. An ostrich egg is the largest bird egg, equivalent to about 2 dozen chicken eggs. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of flying backwards thanks to their unique wing structure. Arctic terns undertake the longest migration of any animal, flying from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back annually. The lyrebird from Australia is an incredible mimic, able to perfectly imitate sounds like chainsaws and camera shutters. Owls possess an extraordinary neck flexibility, rotating their heads up to 270 degrees in either direction without moving their body. Vultures are nature's essential cleanup crew, with incredibly acidic stomachs that safely digest carcasses. Puffins often use pebbles to line their burrows, sometimes even presenting them as courtship gifts. The kea, a parrot native to New Zealand, is famously known for its high intelligence and mischievous problem-solving skills. Some large parrot species can live for over 80 years, often outliving their human companions.